of what the outcome would be. Si Marcos na nagsasabing ayaw niya ng impeachment proceeding.
Social media yesterday saying that Vice President Sara Duterte, larger scheme of things is unimportant, so don't file an impeachment complaint. Sabi galing daw po sa inyo yon. Can you confirm that, sir? Was there an effort on your part to stop the filing of impeachment?
Well, it was actually private communication, but nalik na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on it?
O yung nililigawan mong boto ng Duterte Bloc sa susunod na Senado.
Sir, sabi niyo hindi niyo pa nakakausap si Tito Sen, no, for possible Senate presidency. Pero si SP Cheese, kinausap po ba kayo?
Merong mga text-text naman.
Si SPC.
Anong
Yes, sir.
basically sir, generally anong laman ng text message, sir?
Basta ang ko lang is mag-uusap pa kami yung block namin. Usapan pa namin. Hindi kami magkakama up ng final decision dahil andun pa sa abroad si Senator Padilla. Kaya hintayin namin makabalik at mag-usap kami.
But the text messages between you and SP Cheese is about Senate presidency. Safe to say, sir. The topic is Senate presidency.
Correct.
Nagkaroon rin ng maugong-ugong na may isang resolution sa Senado ang kumakalat para i-dismiss na ang impeachment complaint laban kay VP Duterte. But with the initial refusal of the Senate President, opposition and other members to acknowledge its existence kasi wala naman talaga sa makikitang nakahaing resolusyon.
Sir, for the record, kanina po kasi merong umikot sa social media na resolution supposedly dismissing the articles of impeachment against the Vice President. Ano po ang status kung meron mang ganung dokumento dito sa Senado?
Walang ganong uri ng resolusyon na final o pending sa Senado sa ngayon.